Welcome to the channel. Today, we will guide you through how to sign into your account on Windows 11. If you have just installed Windows 11 or switched devices, logging into your account is essential to access your personalized settings, apps, and files. First, move your cursor to the Start icon at the bottom and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, click on Settings to open the Windows 11 Settings panel. Next, in the Settings window, locate and click on Accounts. Then, click on Sign In. Here, you will see options to log in with a Microsoft account or a local account, depending on what you prefer. Finally, enter your account credentials, including your email or username, and your password, and then press Enter or click on Sign In. Once successfully logged in, you will have access to your apps, files, and all personalized settings. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.